Yes, I know I'm not correct speak, but still trying. If you notice any mistakes, please correct me politely. Your support is really helped me to grow. Hello everyone, this is Abrar here from India. Today is my English practice day 15. Today I want to talk about why I am feel fair, scared, and I face many problems to speak English. First of all, I first of all I know I speak sometime wrong sentence because I first I think Hindi sentence and convert into English because of that my sentence structure is very wrong, very wrong. But now I am understand that all problems wrong sentence, slow speak, they all of journey of my English. First, earliest I am speak English, I feel very scared, very fair. But nowadays, I feel little confidence to speak English. I also know making mistakes are important because I make mistake, then analyze and correct again. If you notice any mistakes, please comment me because comment me to help me, comment me your comment to help me finding what I am correct. Your feedback are very important for me because I don't know which sentence are correct, which sentence are wrong. If you are know where I am correct, where I am wrong, you can comment me. I speak without any script and I feel very nervous, fair, because my grammar something is wrong, something I confused. Which sentence are used? We, have, will. I know which sentence are used. But speaking time, I'm not categorized. Which time, which verb used to speak English. If you know I am not correct, if you know I am not correct, but still you are supporting me, I really thank you. I am Abrar from India. Thank you for watching my video. If you notice any mistake, please comment me. Thank you.